Meet the woodpecker, a forest virtuoso. Their rhythmic tapping isn't just a beat, it's precision insect hunting and nest creation, showcasing adaptability in the dense woodlands. Woodpeckers have a remarkable tongue structure equipped with barbs and a sticky substance, aiding their efficient foraging strategy by extracting insects from deep within tree crevices. As nature's architects, they construct sturdy nests in tree trunks, demonstrating meticulous precision and remarkable parenting skills. These birds possess shock-absorbing skulls, enabling relentless pecking without harm. Relentless foragers, they use sharp beaks to uncover insects hidden beneath tree bark, ensuring a steady and reliable food supply. Beyond aesthetics, their vibrant plumage serves a purpose: a strategic camouflage in wooded environments.